Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the scene, park level, set the brake, and place chocks both front and back of the axle. Next, find the trailer's jack point and position a high-capacity jack plus jack stands under solid frame or axle. This prevents twisting. While the wheel is still on the ground, use a lug wrench to break the lug nuts loose about 1/2 turn. Do not remove them yet. Once done, lift the trailer slowly until the tire clears the ground. With the trailer safely supported, finish removing the lug nuts and take the wheel off using a steady, even pull to avoid scraping the hub. You should inspect the hub face, studs, bearings, and brake components for rust, grooves, or grease leaks. Address any damage before proceeding because these affect safety. Place the spare on the studs, hand thread each lug to avoid cross-threading, then lower the jack until the tire touches the ground so the wheel seats. After seating, tighten lugs by hand. Now you torque the lug nuts to the trailer manufacturer's specification using a torque wrench, following a star pattern to ensure even clamping. Once torqued, lower the trailer fully, remove the jack and stands, and re-chock the wheels to secure the vehicle. Make sure the spare is inflated to the proper PSI, then plan to recheck lug torque after the first 25 to 50 miles. If you feel vibration or see wobble, stop. Retorque immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.